Namaste. Now, tarot card is something which is can be used to get lot of solution for lot of problems. Now, in 2020, when I was doing reading, the one important pertinent question is everybody is worried about how 2021 is going to be. It's not a very easy year for us in 2020. So, I decided let me check the cards to find out for each Rashi and Sun sign how will this 2021 be. So, I have shuffled the cards and I have kept the cards ready. So, how would be the format of the reading? First, I would do a general prediction followed by checking their work, money, and the family life. Now, I will take three cards to see a general reading for the Mithuna Rasi or the Gemini sign. So, I am going to take three cards for the Mithuna Rasi people and Gemini sign. The High Priestess, the Knight of Cups, and the Hierophant. If you see, you have got two major card and one water element card, which is the Cup card. When you get lot of major cards, it means you have to do rituals. Without ritual, things are not going to be very easy for you. The High Priestess means you require lot of guidance in 2021 to move it peacefully. And also with the rituals only your mind will get clarified, you will become focused, otherwise there will be lot of distraction. Of course, the Knight of Cups will show that you will get lot of support, especially from the male member of the family, but otherwise you have to listen to others. What you think if you implement will become negative towards you. What you listen and what you implement, what others say, will be always successful. In 2021, others will help you. You should be willing to take it. What you plan may not go as it is what you are thinking. It is not the thought, it is the word of others which becomes the law of guidance and law of warning. So kindly listen to others and also please do the ritual. 2021 is going to be really challenging for you. Let us check how your work will be. You have got the Page of Cups and you have got the Sun card. Yes, you will be traveling, you will be moving to place. There will be unnecessary movement will be there. Staying in one place and doing work will be very difficult, and you will be helping others to finish their work. So there's going to be a lagging behind in your work, and also there could be little bit of firefighting with the higher ups because you have got the Sun card, which means the higher ups energy will be more than you. So you have to be really careful, really hardworking for your career in 2021. Page of Cups. Now your work will be very emotional for you, which means if you're having mood swings, when your mood is not all right, that will have a telling impact in your work. Many people do not know how could be a simple emotion is connected with the work. Yes, for you in 2021 you have picked a fight, it will show a telling impact in the work. Now let's check your financial stability or financial gains. Okay, the Magician card and the card of Five of Wands. Expense is going to be huge. especially unnecessary expense is going to be huge. So you have to be very careful when you're keeping the cash just like that. And idle cash will attract lot of negative expenses. It's expenses, you will feel bad about it. So better commit for something bigger where you have taken loans or hand loan from someone. So in 2021, don't try to close the loan. It's better you have a commitment for which a bulk of money goes away. You may have to take the help of others. Like, don't go in for an extra commitment what you have already done. If your commitment is already huge, like you have taken 2 EMIs, so please don't go for the third EMIs or the third commitment. It's going to be really difficult to balance the third new commitment. If you already have a commitment, make a point not to close it and continue with the commitment. If you do not have a commitment or a loan, take up a loan. That's how you can balance the finance in 2021. Like, how will be your family life? Okay, the World card and the 5 of Cups. Yes, it's going to be 50% okay. Next 50%, it will be like you have to listen to others. Now this is in 2021 will be very challenging. Listening to others, fulfilling the others' wishes, doing things for others. It is not for self. 2021 will be for doing things for others. That's how this 2021 is going to move. Of course, you need lot of ritual to balance your energy in 2021. So that things doesn't go into an extreme where to pull it back to normal will be difficult. So kindly take ritual help. If you like this video, please share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Furthermore, I'd be talking about all the for all the sun signs and the rashis, how will be 2021 through tarot card reading. Thank you.